If you want to take a screenshot on the Motorola Edge 70 Pro, we have many ways that allow you to do so. For example, we can use the power button and the volume down button at the same time. So if you press both of these buttons at once, you will capture a screenshot, and there we go. What you can also do is you can use 3 fingers and you can swipe down on the screen just like that to capture the full screenshot. Besides that, we should also be able to check out settings in case the 3-finger swipe down gesture doesn't work for you. So if you open settings and go to gestures, then over here you should be able to find 3-finger screenshot, and of course you want to make sure that it is enabled. While we are in the gesture settings, you can also go to quick launch over here, and you can set up the double back tap of the phone. And if you go to settings over here, you should be able to choose take screenshot option. So now we can double tap the back of the phone in order to try to take the screenshot, and there we go. As you can see, it works. We can also tap on try it out over here in order to find out where exactly you want to tap, to figure out where the phone recognizes taps. So in my case, as I'm trying to tap in different places, usually I just tap over here like the bottom right corner of these cameras, right next to these cameras, and then usually this is where it detects that I'm tapping, so you can give it a try. Now, besides that, you can also open an app, and if you go to recents or background apps, then here below the preview we have scissors, which we can use in order to capture the screenshot. This works as well. And moreover, if you have the sidebar enabled, if you use the sidebar, then if you go to settings and choose tools, then over here we have the screenshot option, so you can add it to the list. So then you can use the sidebar in order to take a screenshot. Also, we're gonna go back to settings. There's one more method that we can use. We're gonna go back to the main page of settings and then scroll down to choose accessibility. Then over here in accessibility, we're gonna open accessibility menu, and you want to enable this shortcut. There we go. And then you can use this shortcut in order to open this little panel where we can find the screenshot button. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.